In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart a series on Amazon Prime Video by clearing your series progress. It's a great way to rewatch your favorite shows from the very beginning, or if you've just completed a series and want to start fresh. I'll assume you're already set up. Being logged in will take you to the home page where all your viewing options await. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner of your screen for your profile icon. It's usually a circular image representing your account. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several options. You're going to select Account and Settings. This selection will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your Prime Video experience, including your viewing preferences and account details. On the Account and Settings page, navigate to the Watch History tab. This section offers a comprehensive look at everything you've recently watched. It's also where you can manage and alter your viewing history. Click on Watch History to proceed. Now comes the part where you can reset your series progress. You'll see a list of everything you've watched on Prime Video. Scroll through and locate the series you wish to restart. Once you've found it, look for that option that says Delete Episodes from Watch History. Selecting this option will remove all previously watched episodes of that series from your history. This action essentially resets the series as though you've never watched it, allowing you to experience that fresh start feeling again. After you've deleted the episodes, you can return to the main page and begin re-watching your series from the very first episode. It's worth noting that this process is irreversible. Once you delete the episodes from your watch history, you won't have a viewing record unless you start watching again. And there you have it. You've now learnt how to effectively restart a series on Amazon Prime Video by clearing your series progress. It's a handy tool for avid watchers like yourself, ensuring you can relive the excitement of your favourite shows. Enjoy your viewing experience and feel free to revisit this guide as often as you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.